right, hello y'all. Today we're just going to be setting up our composition notebook for the year. We'll be using this to take notes in. You can refer to it during quizzes. You can refer to it during homework. This is going to have all of your methods and ways to solve, as well as some vocabulary and things like that. So this is going to be our composition book for the school year. First thing you're going to want to do, just put your name on it. All right, put your name on it. Sorry, there's a glare. It'll be fixed in a second. Put your name on it and we will get started. All right. Now that your name is on it, we're ready to go to the first page. This first page, I don't know if I like doing it with this light on, y'all. Okay. This first page is going to be your doodle page. This is where you can just draw. This is your page, your front page, your doodle page, whatever you want to do on this page, that's up to you. Okay? This is your page. After that, the next page is going to be our title page. This is going to be our 4th, 5th grade math notebook. Go ahead and label it as such. Okay? And remember, you can pause these videos at any time if you need more time to do something. All right? So you've got the cover done. You've got front page for your doodle page, and this is our title page. I'm going to go ahead and switch pens because mine was dying. No big deal. All right, so this math notebook, you're going to write your name. So skip a line. Write your name again. Your name, not my name. Okay? All right, and then we're going to write the purpose of this math notebook. This notebook will have, I like to skip lines in between. This notebook will have vocabulary words, notes, anchor charts, method to solve, and work. What that means is you will be able to use this notebook to show your work. When you're at home taking a test, you'll do your work in this notebook, whatever math you need to do in the notebook, and then you'll bring it back to me to show me because you will get extra points for showing your work. So we will break down this notebook today. We're just setting it up. Do not worry, I'm not making you do math yet. All right? And remember, you can pause these videos at any time so you can go at your own pace. All right, we'll go to the next video. All right, next page is going to be your table of contents. Table of contents. Okay, that's all that's going to be. And what you'll be doing is you'll put what that activity name notes is and then the page. So for example, we're going to do one together real quick. We're going to just do a basic getting to know me on the very first page. So you label it get to know me. And then you're going to call that for page 1. And I'll show you where page 1 is, and we'll do that little activity. And that'll be it for our first video of setting up our notebook. All right, so your pages are only going to be these front pages. So what that looks like is you're going to go to the bottom of each of these pages. I'm going to call this one page 1. When I flip the page, the back of that page is not page 2. The next full page on its own is page 2. So your next step is to go through your notebook and label up to page 21 in your notebook, please. Okay? So you're just going to keep going till you hit page 21, and then we'll do our getting to know you activity. All right? All right, now that your pages are labeled all the way to page 21, don't worry, we will take more notes than 21, but we're just going to start doing this unit at 21 pages. We're going to go ahead and do a quick getting to know me activity that shows you how we take notes in this notebook and just gives you a little bit of an idea of, how we're going to move through the school year. When you answer these questions, please answer them about you. Don't use my answers, all right? So this is a getting to know me. Just get to know me. And this is going to be, I do read your notebooks, this is going to be how I find out more about you. All right? So answer it the way you want your teacher to know. All right? So usually we label our whatever it is. We always date it. So for you guys, this is 8. This will be 8/19 for you. We always want to put the date. 2025. All right. We skip the first line and then we get started. And the basic rule is you write what I write. All right? That's usually the basic rule, unless you need to answer it for yourself. So, example. First thing we're going to do, favorite color. Okay? I wrote favorite color, you write favorite color. Then you're going to give me your answer right here. Okay? If you don't have a favorite color, you can put don't have one, right? This is what is ever honest and true to you, so I know you best when it comes to winning prizes, when it comes to playing music in class, when it just comes to knowing you, because I'm only going to see you 32 times this year. So I want to know you as much as I can within that time period, all right? Then we'll skip a line and we'll do favorite soda. If you don't drink soda, say I don't drink soda. Okay? Favorite soda. I'm going to do favorite candy. Favorite snack. And remember, if I'm going fast, you can pause at any time. All right? Take your time with this. Okay? Favorite snack. Favorite song. Favorite TV show. And remember, if you don't watch TV, that's okay. Just tell me that. I want to get to know you. Please don't make something up just to answer, okay? Favorite TV show. Favorite movie. Then we're going to skip a line. And one thing you think it is important for your teacher to know. This could be anything from what you prefer to go by in class. So, for example, my son's name is Alexander, but he goes by Xander. So if you want to tell me like what your nickname is, if you want to tell me what your learning style is, if you want to tell me what you're nervous about, you want to tell me that, math is your favorite thing, you can tell me anything here that you think it's important for me as your teacher to know. Okay? All right. So that is it for setting up our notebook today. I am going to go ahead and answer these in front of y'all just so that you guys know my favorite stuff. I don't know, maybe it'll help you to get to know me, feel more comfortable with me. I'm going to use a different color so you can see my answers. My favorite color right now, I call it grass green. That's my favorite color right now. One fun thing about me is I believe that you can change your mind at any time, and the things you like change too. So if your favorite color today is indigo blue and tomorrow it's orange, I get it. My favorite soda forever, though, is Diet Coke. I love a good Diet Coke. My favorite candy is Jelly Belly. Jelly beans. Oh, I love those things. They're so yummy. My favorite snack right now, I'm really into cucumbers and Dots pretzels. And I eat them together. I know that might be weird. My favorite song. Oh my goodness, I love so many movies, or so many songs. I gotta think about that. I will say my favorite TV show is Bob's Burgers. And my favorite movie, forever and ever and ever, is Tarzan. I love Tarzan. I'll have to come back to my favorite song. That's a hard one. One thing you think it's important for your teacher to know. So if I was still in school and I had a teacher, I would want them to know I am a kinesthetic learner. That's probably not how you spell it, but that's okay. This notebook is not about being perfect. Learner. I learn by doing. Okay, so that's just our first one today. Now remember, don't write in my answers. Write in what's about you, okay? My favorite song. That is such a hard one. I'm going to use one from Tarzan. You'll be in my heart. You'll be in my heart. I know, a little cringe that I sang, but here we are. All right, guys, I'm excited to see you on Thursday. Please have your notebook all set up. And what that looks like is doodle page. You can draw if you want to. Title page. Table of contents. Your pages at the bottom labeled. You need to do the first 21 pages and your getting to know me activity. All right? See you guys later.